Hey people, so we are at this place called Haiku and this is prawn sushi, I guess, na? And that is some vegetarian sushi.
Which is the vegetarian?
This one is vegetarian, this one is crab.
Prawn.
Are you starting one from here, Ayush?
Okay, true. Everybody has to try, Ayush. Look at this child's expression. Look at this, I know. Overaction Academy of India.
Please try that because you tried in Delhi.
Okay. Yes, Ayush first try the. Okay. Yes.
You can try. It's not. Yeah, Ayush share.
It's only after spicy you're doing it.
Okay. First. Next bite. Okay. Come.
Wrong, it's just that you're doing it.
I like.
Yeah.
How is Ayush? How is it?
Yeah.
Ayush, wait, eat slowly. Nobody's going to take. We can order
Yeah.
more if we want.
Yes.
Just we take one portion and then we'll eat.
Yeah.
And then there's something.
Correct. Ayush, try that vegetarian and tell me how it is. Before I could get you on camera, I have to see my child. Oh, he knows how to dip it in it. How is it, Chona? Yeah.
Ayush, now eat slowly. It's only